Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video I'm going to show you how to log into Newegg credit card accounts. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser and in the search box at the top type in Newegg Red Card Login and press enter. On the next page where you can see all of the search results, click on this first link that says Newegg Electronics Financing Synchrony. Now click on the login button in the top right hand corner and you'll end up in this login area. Go ahead and type in your username in the text box that appears on the top at your agenda and over to the password field and type in your password correct. Double check your password by clicking on this little show link or the icon to reveal your password. If you'd like the system to remember your username, click on this Remember Username box, but if you're using a public device or a shared mobile device, leave this unchecked. That's all. Log in. In case you've forgotten your username or your password, you can click on this I forgot my username link or the password link in order to reset your new password or to look for your username find after entering all of your informations that go on the login button, and you'll be logged into your Newegg credit card account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. Fly So Hidden, give us a thumbs up, comment down in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll send it back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.